Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have a deployment and domain. Start by enabling the Courier API keys and map provider account now. Create the tracking table schema for order ID, status codes, GPS lat/lon, and timestamps. This ensures consistent payloads. Once done, configure environment variables for keys and restrict IPs. Make sure to enforce least privilege so a leaked key cannot modify production. Finally, provision a webhook URL and test it with a sample 200 OK response to confirm connectivity before code. Now implement the webhook handler that verifies signatures and parses JSON payloads. You need both security and reliable parsing. Then write the service logic to upsert location and status into the database inside a transaction so partial writes don't corrupt state. Once that is in place, add a public tracking endpoint that returns the latest status and a bounded history. Paginate results to avoid huge responses. Also add caching at 5-10 seconds for hot requests to reduce DB load without sacrificing freshness. Finish by wiring the front end. Subscribe to a socket or pull the tracking API and render the carrier on a map, animating movement between points for clear UX. If location gaps occur, display estimated position and last update time to set expectations. Once deployed, monitor webhook delivery logs and replay failed payloads when necessary. If updates don't appear, verify signature validation and timestamp skew. One key troubleshooting tip: use a replay tool to resend recorded payloads with correct headers to isolate server versus provider issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.